Building Faith from Childhood, the Shia Family Academy Curriculum. Every child is born with a heart full of light, naturally drawn to truth, love, and the remembrance of Allah. But it is our responsibility to nurture that light so it grows into a lifelong connection with faith, purpose, and guidance. This curriculum is designed to nurture that light into a lifelong connection with Allah, faith, and righteous living. This curriculum has been carefully designed to introduce children to Islamic beliefs, manners, and basic jurisprudence in a simple, engaging, and age-appropriate way. Rooted in Jafari Fiqh and guided by the teachings of Ayatollah al-Uzma Sayyid Ali al-Sistani, its aim is not only to provide knowledge, but to nurture faith, character, and a deep connection with Allah. The main objectives of this syllabus are to develop awareness of Allah and a sense of religious responsibility, to introduce the teachings of the Ahlulbayt, to teach basic rulings in simple language, and to cultivate love for Islam in everyday life. The curriculum is divided into 3 levels according to age and understanding. Level 1, ages 5 to 7, focuses on love, imitation, and habit building without pressure. Children learn that Allah is one and that He loves kind and truthful people. Through simple stories, they are introduced to the Prophet and the Ahlulbayt. Cleanliness, basic wudu through imitation, and prayer as talking to Allah are gently taught. Islamic manners such as truthfulness and respect are emphasized. Each lesson includes a story, questions, a short dua, and activity. Level 2, ages 8 to 10, introduces structured learning. Children begin understanding the purpose of actions like prayer and wudu, along with basic halal and haram concepts. Stories, worksheets, and interactive discussions deepen understanding, while short duas and ziyarat strengthen spiritual connection. Level 3, ages 11 to 13, builds responsibility. Students learn detailed rulings of daily life, prayer, and fasting, and explore identity and modern challenges through discussion and reflection. Each level includes videos, duas, worksheets, stories, and interactive learning. This syllabus is a journey from knowing to loving to living Islam, raising a confident and faithful generation.